AI-powered 11 solar lead generation strategies, step-by-step guide. AnyBiz. AI revolutionizes solar lead generation, targeting high-converting prospects efficiently. Automation and personalization streamline engagement, optimizing marketing budgets, and adapting to evolving market dynamics dynamically. AI-powered 11 solar lead generation strategies. 1. Content creation and distribution. Content creation involves crafting valuable information for potential solar consumers, spanning articles, blogs, photos, videos, and social media posts. AI tools enhance this process by analyzing data, identifying trending topics, and optimizing content for search engines and personalized audience segments. 2. To develop suitable communication strategies, a company needs to craft messaging that aligns with the unique needs, challenges, and drivers of residential and commercial solar prospects. 3. Email marketing automation with AI streamlines communication, sending targeted emails at optimal times and tailoring content to individual preferences. AI segments audiences, personalizes content, optimizes send times, automates campaigns, conducts A/B testing, and analyzes performance for maximum impact. 4. Utilize paid ads to target prospects interested in solar energy solutions. Research your audience using analytics tools. Select platforms like Google Ads and social media. Set up precise targeting. Create engaging ads highlighting key benefits. And optimize landing pages for conversion. Smart budget allocation and ongoing monitoring ensure optimal ROI. 5. Leverage local marketing techniques to target prospects in proximity using AI-powered geolocation data. Analyze sunlight exposure, energy costs, and solar popularity in areas of interest. Run targeted ads on Google and social media, optimize for local SEO, engage with the community, create custom website content, and tailor social media presence to resonate with the neighborhood. Track performance using AI analytics to refine local lead generation efforts. 6. Implement SMS marketing campaigns to engage potential leads directly on their mobile devices. Segment your audience effectively, personalize messages, ensure compliance with regulations, optimize timing for maximum impact, include clear calls to action, integrate with other marketing channels, and continuously monitor and adjust your strategy for optimal results. 7. Leverage AI to identify potential referrers among your customers based on engagement levels and influence. Offer personalized incentives tailored to each referrer's preferences to motivate participation. Automate outreach campaigns to introduce referrers to the program and its benefits. Monitor performance using AI-driven analytics and adjust incentives as needed for optimal results. 8. Social media and community engagement. An example of using AI is the analysis and maintaining of potential leads on social networks. AI technology allows for more detailed analysis of the behavior and preferences inclinations of the target audience. The main tools of AI on social networks are the possibility of a more profound analysis of social networks, which can identify the most influential leaders and communities. 9. Another excellent strategic plan of engaging the community directly is attending local trade shows and events. This not only offers face-to-face and in-person marketing, but also opportunity to meaningful conversation, get immediate feedback, meet prospects, a stronger connection with the audience, and hence more brand visibility and lead generation. 10. SEO optimization for solar-related searches. Leverage AI tools for website optimization to improve search engine rankings for solar-related searches. Enhance content, keywords, and technical SEO aspects to increase visibility and attract more organic traffic, ultimately driving leads to your site. 11. Another vital tool is customer relationship management system used to systematically manage, track, and nurture leads and customer interactions throughout the sales process. In this case, a solar CRM is a technology that not only organizes customer retention, but also automates disseminational communication, monitors sales quotas, and recommends upsales or follow-ups. Optimizing solar lead generation with AnyBiz.io. AnyBiz is a comprehensive tool leveraging AI to enhance solar lead generation. Its advanced features ensure smarter outreach, fostering relationships for successful conversions. AnyBiz revolutionizes B2B solar lead generation with AI-driven sales agents, offering personalized engagement and streamlining processes. It provides a comprehensive suite for outbound and inbound sales, brand management, and continuous refinement, enabling exponential growth effortlessly. If you enjoyed your time here, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons before you go. Stay tuned for more updates.